everybody, welcome to a Cricut craft tutorial. This one might be one of my most exciting ones. I am thrilled with the changes that Cricut has made to their design space, so I want to show you some of them in this video. The first thing you're going to notice is your projects screen looks quite a bit different, and now you have a share. So if you click on that, you can add details to your project. I think it's a lot easier to share this way, which is really, really nice. So I'm just going to put Zentangle Panda into my project. And I'm going to click Save Him. Oh, I need to add at least one landscape photo to my project. So that's kind of cool. So you guys can add things to your projects. I'm just going to pick some random thing to put on here just to see if it'll allow me to save it this way. And then we can share it. I haven't really played with it too much. Oh yeah, look at this. We can actually share now onto Facebook or Pinterest, which is really cool. How neat is that, guys? So now anytime somebody makes a project and we want to share it with somebody, it looks like it's going to be super duper easy to share. So I'm going to show you some of the other really fun things that now are in here. So we're going to go to New Project. And guys, I can't tell you how excited I am to show you this. It has to do with text. And this is going to be a big deal. So I'm just going to write something like, I am so excited for the changes. And I realize I spelled excited wrong. So I'll go back and fix that. Oh boy. So this is how excited I am. I just misspelled everything. Excited. So I'm so excited for the changes. I'm going to change my font because I want to show you guys, because I've seen a couple of people already ask. So I'm going to pick a system font. And I'm just going to scroll down and find something. Right now, it doesn't matter what I choose, just something. So we'll just go with whatever this is. Guys, we can now curve our text. I know, I'm excited, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So fun. So it's up at the top, right next to your alignment, which they moved. So you now have your font, your style, font size, letter spacing, line spacing, alignment, curve, and advanced. I'm going to show you what advanced is really quick. Advanced is basically just ungrouping the letters. I have no idea why you can't just ungroup over there, but they did it. I'm sure eventually there will be a reason for that, but right now it seems like it does all the same thing. But curve. Oh guys, this is so exciting. So you just click on the curve button, and right here, this little slide is going to be your diameter changer. Check out this. It can curve into a full circle. A circle, guys. A circle. Without having to ungroup the letters. And you can curve it either way. You can curve it up. You can curve it down. It does both. I'm going to pull it down so you guys can see. Look at that. It does it both ways. I don't know if any of us have been as excited as we are for curving our letters. Guys, this is a game changer. Game changer. Super pumped. Between the fact that we can now share our projects with people directly from Design Space, and we can curve our text, this is a red letter day, y'all. This is so exciting. So what I love about it, too, you can still use a circle if you know how big your project is, and you can curve your text based on your project. I mean, how fun is this? This is awesome. And you can actually make your font bigger just by pulling it out so you know that it's going to fit around your circle. Guys, this is awesome. I really hope this showed you guys some cool stuff. This was going to be just a short, super quick video that I just wanted to show you the fun stuff that you can do. I'm going to show you the ungroup letter really quick. Again, I have no idea what the point of this is because you can ungroup them on the side. It makes no sense to me whatsoever why we have that, especially since now, in order to group them, you still have to go to the Layers tab and group them. So if somebody else has an idea why we have an advanced option, by all means, let me know. But I will say, just like with all the other projects, once you've made like an ungroup or a group, you can't recurve your letters. So just beware of that. I hope you guys learned some fun stuff in this. I'm so excited to start playing with this and making you guys some cool projects using the curved letters. If you have any questions, leave them below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos all the time. I hope you guys have a great time playing with this. Please show me your projects. I love seeing what you guys come up with. You're all so creative. It just makes my day when I get to see all of your fun stuff. So have a great day.